Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about a topic that a lot of people have been asking me about recently. Is there a limit to Relay Bank checks deposit? Before we get into the specifics, let's take a step back and talk about what Relay Bank checks are. Relay Bank checks are a type of check that is used to transfer money from one bank account to another. They are often used by businesses to make bulk payments to employees or vendors. So, now that we know what Relay Bank checks are, let's get back to the question at hand. Is there a limit to Relay Bank checks deposit? The answer to this question is yes and no. The specific limit will vary from bank to bank. However, there are a few general rules that you should be aware of. First, most banks have a daily limit on the amount of money that you can deposit into your account. This limit is typically in the thousands of dollars. Second, banks may also have a limit on the number of Relay Bank checks that you can deposit in a day. This limit is typically in the hundreds. Third, some banks may have a limit on the total amount of money that you can deposit into your account over a period of time, such as a month or a year. So, what does this all mean for you? If you are planning on depositing a large number of Relay Bank checks, it is important to be aware of your bank's limits. You may need to make multiple deposits or spread out your deposits over time. In addition to the limits set by your bank, there are also some other factors to consider when depositing Relay Bank checks. These factors include the size of the checks, the condition of the checks, the bank's policies on accepting Relay Bank checks. If you are unsure about any of these factors, it is always best to contact your bank directly. So, there you have it. The answer to the question, is there a limit to Relay Bank checks deposit, is yes and no. The specific limit will vary from bank to bank. However, there are a few general rules that you should be aware of. I hope this information has been helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.